Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by using an administrator account so changes stick. Open any Office app like Word, then go straight to File and choose Account to view product information. Once there, look for Update options. This is the control hub for automatic updates. Make sure other Office programs are closed so settings apply cleanly, and note that you may need an elevated prompt. Accept it when Windows asks for permission to proceed. Click Update Options and select Disable Updates, then accept any user account control prompts. This stops Office's built-in auto-updates. Once done, verify the Office Click-to-Run service status in Services, stop it if necessary, but make sure you understand the impact. If you manage multiple machines, use group policy templates or a registry key to enforce the settings centrally. This prevents users or repairs from re-enabling updates. Remember to document the change for IT records and plan manual update checks. After disabling, restart Office and return to Account to confirm update options reports that updates are disabled. If updates re-enable, make sure no group policy or management tool is overriding your setting and check the registry keys used by Office update logic. For stubborn cases, run Office repair from Programs and Features, and scan Event Viewer for related error messages to identify the cause. Troubleshooting tip: if a corporate MDM pushes updates, coordinate with IT because local change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.